Hey, what's up guys? This is Sami again here, and today is 24 May 2023, and this is the part 1 of a new playlist that I want to make, and that is this. We want to solve problems in C# language. For that thing, I want to show you a web page which is a .it. I have account here, and here I say, for example, I am C# language and I want to solve problems. And as you see, I solve some of them, and let's say for example how it works. It gives you an example: convert minute into second. It wants to say if you get 5, it should give 300, and we see here if we want. And here we learn how we solve problems and how algorithm works. And from today, we want to do this in C# language. When I'm talking about C# language, this is 90% the same as Java. Okay? Let's take a look at that. We see here the input is multiply 60. So 1 minute is 60 seconds, and we are going, and like you say, you have here a function, you get minute, and you have to return an integer as number. I say here, okay. Return, for example, return integer 60. It gives me, for example, if I get 5 60, and let's check it, and it tell me if it's correct or not. A minute, sorry. I say here a minute, and now check it. What? Minutes, return, sorry, return test passed. Okay, and I say okay, submit it, and after that it gives you some points, and you say how was that challenge. You say that was really easy, and I want to go next challenge. Okay, and for that I want to go back and say, or you see here levels. We want to start it very easy and then go next. What is this? Return the next number from integer. Let's find I don't know, area. Some of those I don't want. Harvest to second. Using and let's see what is this, or we able to solve it. This is the point. We want to do this maybe 2 times in the week, or when I have a free time. We are trying to make those things. Let's see what it says using and operator. C# has a logic operator and. It say both conditions should be true, then you have true. A is checked if it's true or false. Okay, if A is false, it's false, return false. B is checked if it's true. Let me see here. We have A and B. Let's first of all let's see function. Okay, we get 2 bool, okay, x and y, true and false. It say, for example, if you get true and false, it say that is false, and true and it's here. I want here say check if it's true or false. If A is false, return false. Okay, we are coming here. I'm saying here if this is A, this is B. We say if A which is false, if A is true or false, if A is false, false is returned. A is, it wants to say if x, what if here we have x is equal to false, then return false. Okay, this is first one. And then let's say B check be checked if it's true or false. If b is false, return false. True, false, false, true, 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 true. Okay, I want to say if true, true, else that. I want to say if uh, return true and y is equal to true also, then return true. Something like this. Return false. Okay, let's see what it is. Because this is the only condition that comes true. The rest, yeah. Because this is and. This is the only condition that should give true, other return false. Let's submit it. This is you need as a software engineer. It doesn't matter. Web development, you need this because you lost your logic in the period of time. Okay? That's why, let's say, submit. I like this. I like this. I want to solve this every day. Why I have no connection here? Because I have well connection. Let me go back. Let me, for example, are the numbers equal? For example, create a function that returns true. Oh yeah, if the check the numbers. If both are true, that is false. Okay. If number 1 is equal to number 2, return true, like that. Else return false. Let me check it one more time. It say if both are the same, return true, else return false. Let's see what is that. Why? If number 1 okay, pass, and then let's submit. This is very easy, but you need this, and then we go next in other challenges, and it asks you that was also easy to you. When it say it's very easy, all challengers say okay, that was easy, and that's okay. Let me go back and find area of triangle. Let me say area let me say area of triangle. It says is R equal to which is R is equal to HB. Bro, I don't want to solve it. I want something else. Yeah, you. Damn it. Yeah, less than 100. Okay, let me see what's this. Give two numbers, return true if sum is less than 100. You say you make a function that if the sum of that both number is less than 100, it gives true. Otherwise, false. Here. Give two numbers true if the sum of both numbers. Okay, I think here that sum both number is equal to A plus B, and then I say if this one is smaller or is less than 100. 100 is not calculated. It say if that number is smaller than 100, it was say okay is like this equal of smaller than. It say if that is smaller than 100, true. Okay, return false in other things. Okay, like this. Why, Big Daddy? Static bool or return true, bro? Why do you like this? To me, bro, because in Visual Studio when you do this, you get here, you get no nothing here. Why? Return fossil, bro. Return false. What you doing there? Return false. Now is okay. Come on. Beautiful. Let's submit it. I think I reached something level or what. Next. Okay. Return the factorial. What is factorial? I don't want to go to search. I want to solve it here with my knowledge. I don't want to go to search about how you calculate something and then convert it to language, to C# language. Return the next number from the integer pass. What's to say? Create a function that takes a number as argument, increments the number by 1 and return result. Here, return num plus 1. That's it. Lelele. Pass. Static one. Static method. Okay, let's go here and see what we get. Bariro, array of triangle, no, return the remainder of two numbers. You say there is a single operator in C# can be provided a remainder of division. The two numbers are passed as a parameter. The first parameter divided by the second one parameter will remain. What this say? Note. The test only uses positive and negative integer. Don't forget return the result. Result. If you get stuck on challenge, okay. Again, read it. It wants a function. It gives is two integer, two number as parameter, and you have to give. This is a condition. Reminder 1 3. It say the first parameter, which is 1, divided by the second one. Let me 1 divided by 3 by the second parameter will have a remainder possible 0. Return the value. Okay, let's say for example 1, we want to divide 1 by 3. Okay, I say this is 1 0, it's 9, it's 0 3 3 3. Okay, it's when it's 3 3 3, it's 0. For example, let's say 3 divided by 4, it says 30. Also, it's not possible. Let me read it again. It says there is a single operator in C# capable of providing the remainder of a division. Remainder of a that was this one. That was this one. C# reminder of. Let me see. Oh yeah. This. Okay. If I say, for example, here 1. For example, say var test here is equal to, for example, let's say 10, this should give me 1. Okay, this gives me 1. I have here this one. Oh, console dot write line test. Let me see what's the result of this. It gives you 1. Okay, it gives me a reminder of that. And now Moodle, it's Moodle, yeah. And now what it wants exactly, it's say the first parameter divided by the second parameter will have a reminder as return a value. Okay. If it's not, you have to give 0. If, for example, I can say here, if first number modulo, if first number modulo second number mean y, x, if x modulo y is smaller than if is smaller than 10, I mean is smaller than 1, is smaller than 1, it means return x. Okay, if x modulo y is equal to 0, then return 0 here in this case, and then what? And then that's it. I think this is it. Return 0, and here let's see if it's greater, for example 10. Okay, else then I say return x modulo y. I don't know. I don't know what I don't think. Oh, last one here. Okay, conditions are fine, and let's see, I don't understand here. The first parameter divided by the second one will be have a reminder. Possibility 0, return value. Have a reminder, null, return value. Okay, I think return x modulo y. And return x modulo y greater than, and return x modulo y greater than 1. I don't know. Here it's what was expected 0. 0. Oh no. Let me check it again. Expected 0. In which case let me translate translate it to other language. For example, here, let me see. Here. De eerste parameter gedeeld door de tweede parameter zal een rest hebben, mogelijk door de tweede value. Oké. De eerste parameter gedeeld door de tweede parameter. Rest hebben, 0 waarde. Okay, this is all two condition. It has or value or not. Here, let's check. Really? I say here, if it's smaller, if x is smaller than 1, return x. If that is, let's say if it's greater than 1, you return x modulo y and 0, I don't know, something like this. What happened? If x modulo y smaller than y, greater than y, else, can I do this? There is never coming. If x modulo or not. Why Big Daddy? Why Big Daddy? Why Big Daddy? Big Daddy. Okay. Let's imagine this is a static one of, let's say this is public integer. What is problem here? Here. Okay. Now we have here, for example, let's say we want to make call of this function here in console dot write line. Oh god damn it! Here and here we want to say x is 1 and y is 3. Okay, and now we want to call that, but the function is not completed yet because it's not returned. Here in this example says, for example, it should give 1 return. Okay, so if what? Okay, if it's 1 modulo 3 is smaller than 1, then return 1. Okay, and now let me copy this again, and now let's say 3 4 5 5 3 4 5 5. And now what's the point here? The point is this: first one here, Modulo this one is x if, for example, is greater than 1. For example, let's say I have 10 and 5. We say 2. If it's greater than 5, if it's greater than, return that for me. Return 0. What is problem with this function here, what I called? What I made? First one is say, let me, I expect here, why is here, why is this 0? Problem here. What is problem here? If I have here 10, if I have here 10, what I'm getting back here? Again 0. Say else here. Else, or I can do this. Return 0. Is it okay? Why I'm getting 0? 10. What happened with my if statement? Huh? Bro, you make me here crazy. Let me see what it say. Check it out here. Bro, I'm taking this here. The first one, the second one, I will have a reminder. Here. No idea, I'm not understanding this one. We have a reminder, no, 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 0. Say, if I say here int final number is equal to 0, for example, what's this here, and I want to say and this one is equal to equal to x if x modulo, for example, if we have 10 modulo 5, let's see, there's only two possibilities, I think. 25. If it's look, if it's greater than that, no, I want to say here, if it's smaller, then return it. But if it's, for example, here 10 and I have 2, I have 0, if okay, there is only two possibilities, not three. So if it's smaller, hey, yeah, yo. If it is smaller, then here I want to say here final number is equal to 0 equal to 0. Any ideas? We are not return this. Final number, return here final number. I don't know. This is not what. Okay. I want to say I have here a faulty thing. If that is a small, if that is, I made some fault here. Just reading. I'm telling you, boy, just reading those things. Here, if something, for example, x modulo y, okay, if that is not 0, if that is here not 0, it's mean return x, if not 0. Else and the second condition, that is greater than, that is just greater than 0, is not 0, greater than, something like this. Oh God. Okay, something like this. And now I don't know, man. Here, is greater than 0, x say else here. Or should I make a case? Really? Return here, x was that. Okay. Yeah. Return x was y. Okay. What boy, look at this. Look at here. I want to ask ChatGPT. Let's see or we get right answer. Hi Selma. Yes. Can write function in C# language to do this, and then I say here cake, here is it. So but wait, let's see or what's the final one. Boy, come on, boy, look at this boy, Big Daddy. Nope. Come on. You understand us? Let's see or we get right answer of this machine. Why I'm not getting here? Because here now, oh god, like this we ask ChatGPT for us to solve problems. Okay, this is how we want to work. I want just in the first episode show you. Okay, look, we stuck about 10 minutes here. This condition return everything 0, but sometimes I tell you, when you don't understand what they want, you think, okay, there are many. Okay, but this is the thing. From today, we want to solve these challenges, easy or later hard. Have a nice day. See you in the next challenges.